welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Melanie.
I'm Grayson, and today we're making spinach pasta.
First, we have already boiled pasta on the stove for about 8 minutes. And then we sauteed spinach with garlic for about 2 minutes, and then we sauteed tomatoes and mushrooms for about 3 minutes. Then in a separate pan, we added some of the already cooked spinach with cream cheese and nutmeg and salt and pepper.
Now, we add all of our ingredients into one mixing bowl. And mix. Now that our pasta is all mixed, we can plate.
Then you can top with Parmesan cheese. And this dish will be available in the cafe and bistro on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Hope you enjoy!